So when we were developing in the womb, we were only stem cells. When we were born, we had extra stem cells. Those stem cells come flying out in order to be able to regenerate our organs.
Meet Dr. William Lee. He is a Harvard-trained physician, medical researcher, and best-selling author known for his work on cancer, heart disease, and healthy aging. In his book, Eat to Beat Disease, he explains how food can support the body's natural healing abilities. Today, we'll explore his surprising insights on desserts that may help support stem cells and promote healthier aging.
Foods can activate this regeneration system. They can call out more stem cells.
As we age, our bodies undergo various changes, making mindful eating more important. Choosing the right desserts can do more than just please our taste buds. They can also rejuvenate stem cells, boost our energy, and shield us from aging's effects. Number 1. Blueberry Crisp.
Let's start with one of my favorites, which is blueberries, right? So blueberries are blue because they contain a natural dye that is colored blue that is called anthocyanin. Eating blueberries can improve your metabolism. How do they do this? Blueberries contain bioactives. One of them is called anthocyanin, the other one's called proanthocyanin, and the one's called quercetin.
Blueberries may be small, but they're packed with nutrition. Their deep blue color comes from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage linked to aging and many chronic diseases. They may also support brain health, improve memory, and help your body repair itself by promoting healthy cell function, including stem cells. Pecans are another delicious food with impressive health benefits. They're rich in heart-healthy fats, especially oleic acid, which can help reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. Pecans are also full of antioxidants and important minerals like magnesium and zinc, which help strengthen your immune system, protect your cells, and support healthy aging. How to prepare it? Whip up a delightful blueberry crisp with these simple ingredients: 4 cups of fresh blueberries, 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of chopped pecans, a 1/3 cup of melted coconut oil, and a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and give a 9-inch pie dish a little greasing. Toss those juicy blueberries into the dish. Grab a bowl and mix together the oats, pecans, coconut oil, and maple syrup. Then sprinkle that crumbly goodness over the blueberries. Pop it in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes until the top is golden and those berries are bubbling with joy. Enjoy! Number 2. Cranberry chocolate bark.
And another food that can actually help out is dark chocolate. Turns out cacao, which is, by the way, a plant-based food, dark chocolate, okay, actually can call out the stem cells in your bloodstream. This has been studied in humans. It's got to be like 80% or higher cacao. So you really want to go for that dark chocolate. And remember, I told you, you don't want added sugar. So you don't want to just be eating candy bar. Go for the dark chocolate with as little or no added sugar, refined sugar, as possible.
Cranberry chocolate bark is more than just a delicious treat. It also comes with some real health benefits, particularly when it comes to supporting cell health and promoting longevity. Let's take a closer look at what makes its key ingredients so good for you. Dark chocolate stands out for its high cocoa content, which is packed with flavonoids, especially flavanols. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, the molecules responsible for tissue damage and aging. On top of that, flavanols improve blood flow to the brain and heart, which can sharpen mental focus and support overall heart health.
Where if you take chocolate with high flavanols and make a hot chocolate out of it, and you drink it just twice a day, 2 cups a day, for 30 days, you can start by measuring your stem cells, and this is from 16 subjects, and you can make the stem cell levels go up. Dried cranberries, those actually have great protein to give you energy on the hike, and they actually give you fiber for your microbiome. Cranberries are actually very healthy. They contain a bioactive called proanthocyanins that have been shown to improve immunity, lower inflammation, and can help your metabolism. The other thing that cranberries can do is they can actually are good for gut health. And in fact, they can increase a healthy bacteria called Akkermansia, which has been shown by researchers to be very important as a guardian of your health in your gut microbiome.
Cranberries are packed with vitamins C and E, along with powerful antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. They also contain unique plant compounds called proanthocyanidins, which help reduce inflammation. Since chronic inflammation can affect healthy cell repair, including stem cell function, cranberries may help support your body's natural renewal process. They also promote urinary tract health and may help support healthy blood sugar levels. Paired with dark chocolate, cranberries create a delicious dessert that's both satisfying and packed with health-supporting nutrients. How to prepare it? Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of dark chocolate chips, a 1/4 cup each of dried cranberries, coconut flakes, and sliced almonds. Start by prepping a baking sheet with parchment paper. Then, melt those chocolate chips in a microwave-safe bowl, giving them a good stir every 30 seconds until they're silky smooth. Spread the melted chocolate on your baking sheet, creating an even layer. Now for the fun part. Sprinkle on those cranberries, coconut flakes, and almonds. Let the chocolate cool down and harden at room temperature, or pop it in the fridge for about an hour or 2. Once it's set, break it into chunks and dig into your rich, fruity creation. Number 3. Sweet potato brownies.
Purple sweet potatoes kind of look like regular sweet potatoes, except on the inside, they've got this wonderful natural purple dye called anthocyanins that actually help to regulate your blood pressure. And so the key thing about this purple color is that if you actually refrigerate it, it actually turns much more intense. So if you've got leftovers, the next day it's going to be even more beautiful. A larger study, 20,000 people in Germany, showed that those who ate 7.5 grams of chocolate per day lowered the risk of heart attack or stroke by 39%.
Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A to support healthy skin, good vision, and overall wellness. They're also high in fiber, helping you stay full longer and support healthy weight management. On top of that, sweet potatoes are packed with antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage and support healthy aging.
Dark chocolate is better because it has more cacao. Cacao is a plant-based food. It comes from a cacao pod, which comes off a tree, and it is very much packed with dietary fiber, which is good for our gut microbiome, good for overall health, but it has polyphenols called proanthocyanidins. Now, what does proanthocyanidins do? These dark chocolate polyphenols, cocoa polyphenols, they call out stem cells. In fact, there was a study done out of San Francisco and the University of Texas that showed that in 60-year-old men with coronary heart disease, bad blood vessels, bad hearts, that if they drank 2 cups of dark, hot cocoa that is really enriched with polyphenols, they could double the number of stem cells in their bloodstream that can repair their circulation and improve their heart function after 30 days. So if you just drank 2 cups a day for a month, that's how this experiment was done. And then they measured the number of stem cells in the blood. That's a blood test. Bada bing, twice. All right.
How to prepare it? Here's what you'll need. 1 big sweet potato, a 1/2 cup of melted dark chocolate, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a 1/2 cup of almond flour, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and lining an 8x 8-inch baking pan with parchment paper. Cook the sweet potato until it's soft, then peel and mash it up. In a big bowl, mix the sweet potato puree with the melted chocolate and maple syrup. Next, add in the cocoa powder, almond flour, and baking powder and stir until everything is nicely combined. Pour the batter into your pan, smooth it out, and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick comes out clean from the center. Let them cool off before slicing into squares and diving in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite healthy dessert, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and here's to a longer, healthier life.